Hello guys, welcome to this video of ES6. In this video we'll talk about the JavaScript let keyword. In ES5, when we declare a variable using the var keyword, the scope of the variable is global if we declare it outside of the function and local in case we declare it inside a function. In ES6, it provides a new way of declaring a variable by using the let keyword. The let keyword is similar to var keyword, except that the variable is declares are block scoped. Now I'll write a code and explain it later. Let a equals to 1 if a equals to 1. In this code, first we declare a variable a and assign it a value of 1. Second, we declare a variable a again with initial value of 2 inside a if block. The output of value a inside a if block is 2, whereas the value of a outside of the if block is 1. Because the let keyword declares a block scoped variable, the a variable inside the if block is a new variable and it shadows the a variable declared at the top of the script. Therefore, the value of a in the console is 2. When the JavaScript engine completes executing the if block, the a variable inside a if block is out of scope. Therefore, the value of a variable that following the if block is 1. Now let's talk about the global object and the let keyword of JavaScript. When we declare a global variable using the var keyword, we are adding that variable to the property list of global object. In case of the web browser, the global object is the window. First, let's declare a variable var x equals to 10. Then if we console.log window.x, the output will be 10. But if we use let, declare variable y with a value of 10 and console.log window.y, the output will be undefined because JavaScript the global variable defined using var keyword are added to the property list of the global object, but not the variable that are declared using the let keyword. Talking about re-declaring variable using var and let keyword. If we redeclare a variable using the var keyword, it allows you to redeclare a variable without any issue. For example, var x equals to 0, var x without a value, console dot, or we can write undefined. First it was declared and initialized with the value of 0, then we redeclared again the x variable without any value. If we look at the value of that variable, it shows undefined. But if we declare a variable using the let keyword, initialize a value with 10 and again redeclare the same variable without any value, it shows the error Well guys, this much for this video. We'll continue into the next topic in the next video. Thank you for watching.